Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I have
Umang.
with me and welcome to the first episode of Conversations in the City. Can you introduce yourself in a sentence?
I don't know about a sentence. I need a paragraph. So, my name is Umang, and I work in New York as a PM in a fashion tech company. Fashion company, actually. Tech is involved everywhere, I feel like. And I was living in Tokyo for 4 years, and I moved to New York last year.
So, what brings you to New York City?
I think the vibe, definitely, because there's a hustle culture here, which is nowhere in the world. It's the global capital, definitely. It's almost a fashion capital after Europe, I guess. So I think all of these amalgamations, and I also make content, so all of this really pushed me to come to New York.
So, what is one part of your work that actually excites you?
I think as a fashion tech person, the world is evolving so much, e-commerce is evolving so much, and AI is also there. So figuring everything out and expanding from an Asian company from Asia to North America is really exciting. We face new problems, face new opportunities every day. So working on that is the I think the most interesting thing of my work.
That's really interesting how you're combining fashion, tech, and so many other things into your workplace and in what you do. So, what is one thing that New York City in particular has taught you that no other city could?
I think the biggest thing New York has taught me is talking to strangers. Like I was always, I won't say I was shy, but I didn't know the skill of small talk, and that skill New York taught me. Obviously, I didn't learn it from somewhere else, but I learned that, and that made me connect with so many people, network with so many people. Going on the street, staying in a coffee line, or being in an elevator, I'll just start talking with people. People will start talking to me. New York is like that, right? So that is, I think, one thing that New York has taught me no other city could have ever done. Like I've lived in Tokyo, I've lived in Delhi. They were not even close.
That's right. I think networking is really important in the city, and the city has so much to offer. So, what is your one advice for people just starting out? How can they start networking with random people in cafes or workplace or anywhere else?
So obviously, be interesting is what everyone would say, right? Be interesting, so people would want to know you. But how do you be interesting is important. So to become interesting, you have to do something unique, something new, or something challenging for yourself. So be it like you post on LinkedIn, you create some automation stuff, you create some AI stuff, you work with AI in your everyday life. You can like build all of these things in your life that makes you more interesting. Once you have that, you have to make your own intro questions, intro answers. You have to make your own like elevator pitches for yourself. You're not a you're not selling yourself, but you have to sell yourself to make a network as well. So that's where some thought has to be given, that when you meet someone, what do you tell them? What do you talk about? What kind of stuff that is very interesting or very common in general? Like, for example, if you invest in stocks, talk about stocks. If you work with AI, talk about AI. Even if you don't work with AI, if you use ChatGPT yesterday or for a very interesting thing, just talk about that when you meet someone. Like, oh, this AI world is crazy. How about coffee turning into some AI chatbot? You can talk like this, right? So you just create connection. You just start talking to someone, and that builds on to that.
That's very interesting. You need to do your own homework and do your own research before you even talk to someone else and work on your own personality. So, if someone is just starting out in New York, like you were starting out 1 year back, what advice will you give to them?
I think one advice that I give everyone is don't be in that bubble you already had. Be it the bubble of Indian friends, be it the bubble of work colleagues. Try to expand that. Try to meet new people. Try to meet people of a different ethnicity or a different background. And that will really expand your thinking power as well. And you'll start thinking about things that you were just not even aware of. That I think is the biggest advice.
Yeah, I think that's really important. And thank you so much for touching on that again. Thank you so much, Umang, for taking your time out and coming in conversations in the city. If you have more questions for Umang, do drop them in the comments below and we can address them in the next video. And thanks for watching this video, guys. I'll see you in the next video.
Bye bye.